Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you can submit your assignments through Google Forms. To begin, you will have this link given through Box. So after you enter that link, you will end up in a page or a Google form like here. So as you can see, my first instruction is please download the IPYNB file from this link. So first I will have to download the assignment file. So I am clicking this link and I will download. This is very important that you store this assignment file in the desktop so that it's easier to find this file. So now I will press save. My assignment file has been downloaded. So if you click this link, my file won't be open. To open this file, I'll have to run Anaconda. If you remember, we showed how to install Anaconda in the previous video. Now I'll go to Anaconda Navigator. I will type in Anaconda Navigator. Okay, so this is the Anaconda Navigator and this is the logo. I will click here. It may take some time to open depending on your computer's performance, so please keep patience. Now my Anaconda Navigator has opened. I will click and open Jupyter Notebook. So this is the Jupyter Notebook. I will press launch. So this is the directory given right here. So as you can see, there is a folder called desktop. So I will press here because I have previously saved my assignment file in desktop. So this is the file I downloaded, CSE110 assignment 1. So I will click on this and a new tab will open in Google Chrome. So as you can see, my assignment file has opened. My IPYNB file which I downloaded has been opened using the Jupyter Notebook. The main advantage of Jupyter Notebook is that I can have a combination of text and code block. So this is a text block, and then with a gray looking box, this is a code block. Then again, this is a text block and this is a code block. So this is one difference between PyCharm, which we saw in the previous video, and Jupyter. There is also one difference, that is we can run these code blocks separately. I can run this separately, then this, then this, then this, and so on. But in PyCharm, we used to run the whole Python file from line 1 to the last line. To complete this assignment, you will have to finish all these tasks. So task 1, you have to write the code in this block, and then task 2 in this block, and so on. So you have to finish all the tasks in the given code blocks. While you are doing assignments, if you accidentally double click on this text block, do not worry that the text has changed and the color has changed and everything. This is still fine. To revert this back to the original position, please go to cell and then run cells. So now my text block has returned to its original state. Now let's look at the task 1 of assignment 1. Write a Python code that prints hello world. Okay, so this is very easy. To print hello world, I'll just have to write this print world. So for task 1, I have written this code. To run this line or this code block, I'll have to go to cell and then run cells. As you can see, my code has run and this is the output. Similarly, you have to complete all the tasks given below. After you are done with all the tasks, you have to save them. So to save this file, you'll have to press this icon right here. So save and checkpoint. Now, while you are doing this problem, my code actually runs in a server or the kernel. So while you are doing assignments, you may take a break. And if this window sets idle for a long period of time, the kernel or server may become idle. Also, if you have an interruption in the internet connection, your kernel might stop working. So in that case, you have to restart the kernel or server. So to restart the kernel or server, I have to press here kernel and then restart. So do you want to restart the current kernel? All variables will be lost. Yes, restart. So please make sure you press save from time to time so that your progress is not lost. As you can see, I have saved it before, so my code is still here. So after you are done with everything, you again press save and checkpoint. Now my file has been saved. Please remember, my file has been saved in the desktop. To submit the assignment, I will go to this Google form again and then fill in your necessary details, G Suite email address, personal email address, and so on. So after you complete all the fields above, you will have to add a file here. So I will give attach file or add file. Press this button. Then select files from your device. And please remember, I have saved it in desktop. So I'll go to desktop. And then this is the assignment 1 file. So I'll click this and then open. And then upload. So once you're done filling all the fields and attaching your assignment, you have to read this line, and lastly you have to submit your assignment by pressing the button. So this was how you upload your assignments through Google Forms. So see you in the next videos. Thank you.